You sit way up at the front. See the steering wheel's way up at the front?
Where are you going? No, we're not going down the dock.
I just start the engine.
With the key. Just like how you start Grandpa's boat with a key.
How can you open that thing? Swing.
There's handles. No, you can't swing, honey. You'll have to...
I'm not sure if this is recording, but the boat you're looking at right now is a 1929 Chris Craft 22-foot Cadet, the same as mine. And this boat, according to the sign, is hull number 1867, and mine is hull number 1869. Rather interesting. So they were next to each other in the factory 82 years ago.